Hi, my name is Martin Lespérance, and I'm here to talk about how we can inject a mega dose, a boost of energy, engagement, and motivation in your team. I've been in coaching and training my whole career. I was in the Canadian Armed Forces Reserve, and I have the firm intention to inspire people to take action so that they are happy, engaged, and motivated, and that your organization can make a significant difference in the world. How do we do this? Well, we stay authentic. We make it real. We make it true. What we tell ourselves is directly transferable to real life. We trigger emotion, and when we trigger emotion, some people laugh, some people cry, and this is how we create memorable moments. This is how we create magic.
We can inspire ourselves and we can inspire the people around us. Some say it's the big choices in life. You know what? The heck with that. It's the small choices that we make, that you are making right now, that will define who we are, who we become, and the color of our adventure.
These guys are completely cuckoo in there. Seriously, it's friggin' cold outside. We wear our big boots, our big jacket, la chic, les grosses mitaines. Man, I'm in my SUV and I'm going past all these guys and I'm like, come on, get a life! But my window is up, it's winter. The biggest challenge to taking action is the fact that we are in a comfort zone. And when we say comfort zone, well, it means it's comfortable there. Even though sometimes we would like things to change. And there are different ways to take action. You can wait for the pain, the hurt, the diagnosis, or you can decide to do it in pleasure mode. And this is what we do together. We make it fun to step out of the comfort zone. One step out of the comfort zone. All day we walk around with this energy inside us. And some of us have this black ball of energy, stress, anxiety, frustration, sadness. I mean, reasons are everywhere, right? And sometimes it's just not our day. And this black ball of energy, it hurts, it's painful, it's not comfortable. So we want to get rid of it and give it to other people. So you have the choice to walk around with this black ball of energy or to walk around with this one. I mean, are you looking forward to your expiration date? I sort of know the answer. Today, tomorrow, each day, by choice, could be your inspiration date. The Inspire program is based on 4 basic principles. 4 basic principles that enable us to make that choice. To make that choice and have an impact on how we will reach our own objectives and how we will enable all the people around us reaching their own objective. When you let yourself be inspired by people, you get to inspire people. It's always a question of choice. One question remains. Who will you inspire today?